Why? Hi guys, I'm Sanam and welcome back to another Tipsy Duo production. Today we're making a mocktail. You might have already guessed, I've got all my copper stuff out. We're making a virgin Moscow Mule. So let's crack on and make this perfectly balanced mocktail. First thing first, what you need to do, you need some fresh lime. We're gonna start it off by cutting our lime into small cubes. I'm going to do it here and just drop it into your glass. Obviously, the signature of this cocktail is to be made in copper mocks. I don't have one, so I'm gonna just go with a normal glass. Then you need to take out your modeler and just squeeze the lime so you get the juice out of it. It looks like a mojito, but like we're making a Moscow Mule virgin one. Yeah. Non-alcoholic. And while I'm just modeling, just make sure that, you know, in the past, the ginger beers, they had alcohol in it. Nowadays, they don't have alcohol, but there are some brands which they mention it on the can that they have like up to 1%, like 0.5 to 1% alcohol in it. So be mindful, if you're just making a mocktail, you shouldn't have any alcohol in your drink. After pressing that, I will add just a dash of sweetener. I'm using a simple stir. Give it another muddle. And then, obviously, you need your mint. Oops. Before dropping it into a drink, give it a clap so the oils and that fragrance comes out, and just press it twice or maybe 3 times maximum because you don't want that bitterness out that much. And now you need to fill your glass with ice all the way through. And I leave it there. I'm not sure what's going on. Okay, you have that. Now what you need to do, you grab your no added sugar ginger beer. If it's got some sugar, just skip the sweetener part and just skip that part, yeah. Because this ginger beer that I've got is no added sugar one. I'm just gonna pour it in to the mix. Perfect. I will give it a gentle swirl. And what you need to do now is to garnish it. You can garnish it with a lemon wheel, or if not, you can, if you don't like that much of a lemon as a garnish, you just put a veg in, whichever is easier for you. I'm just gonna garnish it with a tiny wheel. Let's get it there. And finally, add my mint leaf to the side. Voila! That's our easy peasy mocktail. Let's give it a taste and see how it tastes. Cheers! I love that ginger kick. You should definitely try it. And I forgot, if you have non-alcoholic vodka 0%, you can add it to the mixture. If not, again, skip that step as well. I like it. It's quite nice. It's perfect for that summer hot weather, which makes you cool down, and that ginger flavor, it's like an elevated lemonade. Like, yeah, you should definitely give it a try. Perfect. And as I mentioned earlier to you, this is normally served in cup mugs. I don't have a cup mug, but as you can see, I have a cup plate. So why not? I'm gonna do something silly. Hope I'm not gonna make a mess. Why not serve it in here? And give it a taste now. It's so nice. Yeah, you should buy a cup mug. But even if you have a party, you can make it in big patches, put it in a pot. It's gonna look so cool, and the drink is gonna stay cold for much longer than if you serve it in a normal pitcher. So yeah, that's another way of doing it. I don't have that much of a ginger beer left over now, so otherwise I would have done it in that pot. But yeah, that's our mocktail. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're the Tipsy Duo. And if you like this mocktail, let me know in the comments, and we're gonna come back with more mocktails and cocktails for you soon. Cheers.